Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials by Feli Guillermo. Ang aking video ngayon ay continuation ng video for registration of loose leaf books of accounts through ORUS or Online Registration and Update System. Ito po yung pinakabagong system ng Bureau of Internal Revenue na pwede tayong mag-update ng ating registration information through online. At isa na nga po ang pag-register ng books of accounts. Ako ay nakakuha ng permit to use loose leaf books of accounts noong July 30, 2020. So, every year, binubookbind ang aking books of accounts at pinapatatakan sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. First time ngayon na gagawin ko ang registration sa online or through ORUS. So, naka-ready na po ang aking affidavit kasi kailangan ito as attachment dito sa registration of books. Okay. Kung kayo ay wala pang ORUS account, mag-register na po kayo, mag-create na po ng account sa ORUS kasi mas convenient dito kaysa pumunta pa sa RDO at magpatatak ng inyong libro. Meron akong tutorial video para sa registration ng manual books of accounts. Watch nyo na lang po. Ito ngayon ay registration of books of accounts loose leaf. Okay. Dito tayo sa secondary registration. Click books of accounts. Then register books of accounts. Okay. Makikita ang aking taxpayer information, the TIN, branch code, registered name, RDO, business address. Then, register books of accounts for this branch code. Pag 00 yung ating branch code, ibig sabihin main office yan. Kapag branch naman, nagsisimula sa 1. Click validate. Okay. Kailangang i-validate muna bago ka makapag-add ng books. Then, click add. Dito na tayo mag-add ng row. Add row. Then, itik itong loose leaf kasi loose leaf po yung aking i-register. Meron akong cash receipt journal. I-search lang dito sa drop-down menu. Quantity, 1 book. Last volume, yung last volume na ni-register ko last year ay volume 3. So, volume 4 na po ito ngayon. Ang hawak kong book. Validity period is January 1, 2023. Dito po, yung validity period indicate the start date when the book being registered will be valid. So, valid siya from January 1, 2023. Date of registration today, January 15, 2024. Last day ngayon ng registration of loose leaf books of accounts. Okay. Dito yung permit to use loose leaf number. So, meron akong permit to use LL MBA dash 044 dash 0720 dash 00501 LL MBA 044 720 00501. Kinapi ko na siya kasi gagamitin ko pa siya sa mga susunod na books. Date of issuance is July 30. July 30, 2020. Taxable year Itong books na nire-register ko ay para sa taxable year 2023. So, December 31, 2023. Click Add Books. Okay. Makikita na dyan, nandyan na siya. Cash Receipts Journal, Quantity 1, Volume 4 to Volume 4. Date register, January 15, 2024. Then yung permit number, date issued, July 30, 2020. Add row. Loose leaf. Cash Disbursement Journal. Quantity is 1. So, last volume is volume 3. Volume 4 to ngayon ang nire-register ko. Validity, January 1, 2023. Date of registration today. Permit to use. Okay. Automatic na siya. 044-720-00501. Okay. Date of issuance, 30 July 2020. Taxable year, January 1, 2023. The taxable year, December 31, 2023. Click Add Books. Okay. Next, General Journal. Quantity 1, last volume, 3. Dito na tayo sa validity period. January 2023. Permit to use loose leaf. Yan, pinaste ko na lang. Date of issuance, 30 July. July 2020. Taxable year, January 1, 2023. To taxable year, December 31, 2023. Add books. Oh. Teka. Mali yung ano ko. Date issued. Ulitin ko. General Journal. Ganyan pala pag nagkakamali, i-check kaagad para pwede pa siyang i-delete. May nagtanong dyan sa akin kung paano daw pag nagkamali. So, dapat kada encode, i-check kung tama ang na-encode bago mag-add ng panibagong books. Date of issuance, July 30, 2020. Okay na. 1. Add books. Okay. Yung validity period ko ay mali. Okay. January 1, 2023. General Journal. Okay. Add row. Last na. General Ledger. Quantity 1. Validity period, January 1, 2023. Okay. Date of issuance, July 30, 2020. Taxable year, January 1, 2023. Taxable year, December 31, 2023. Add books. So, continue na natin. Click continue. Review po natin. Click continue. Dito na tayo sa attachments. Ang attachment para sa loose leaf books of accounts ay affidavit attesting the completeness, accuracy, and appropriateness of the computerized accounting books or records in accordance with the keeping of books of accounts and records for internal revenue tax purposes. Para yan sa registration of computerized books. Meron siyang tatlong attachments or requirements. Para sa registration of loose leaf books of accounts, kailangan po mag-attach ng affidavit attesting to the completeness, accuracy, and correctness of entries in books and number of loose leaf used for period covered. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung aking affidavit. Okay. Ito siya. Okay. Kung merong gustong humingi ng format, meron na po akong format. Notarized siya dapat. Okay. Dito na tayo sa attachment. Upload file. Okay, ito na. Attachment form 1905. Okay. Kasi kapag sa manual registration, ang ginagamit natin na form ay BIR form 1905. Okay. Click review. Review your application. May TIN number, branch code, register name, RDO code, email address. Yan. Registering my books for head office. Cash receipts journal, cash disbursements journal, general ledger. Quantity, tig-iisa, volume 4 to 4. Date registered, January 15, 2024. Permit number, then date issued. Okay. Mag-agree tayo dito sa declarations. I declare under the penalties of perjury that this application and all its attachments have been made in good faith, verified by me, and to the best of my knowledge and belief is true and correct, pursuant to the provisions of the National Internal Revenue Code as amended and the regulations issued under the authority thereof. Okay. I understand that the Bureau of Internal Revenue has the right to process the information submitted in this application. Any indication of misrepresentation, fraud, or other illegal activities can be grounds to subject the applicant to further investigation by the BIR and will be punished according to the penalties prescribed by the National Internal Revenue Code as amended and other applicable laws. Okay, check. I declare that the taxpayer on whose behalf the application is made has no other existing tax identification number and understand that possession of more than one TIN is criminally punishable and may be subject to penalties pursuant to the provisions of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended and other applicable laws. Okay, check na lahat. Nag-agree na ako sa lahat ng declarations. I-click na ito ang submit application. Registration successful. Your registration for books of accounts is completed with application reference number S24044BA522036 on January 15, 2024 with details, TIN, branch code, registered name, RDO, Sir 44 Taguig Pateros. An email confirmation was sent to your registered email address containing the details and other information. Okay. Tingnan natin yung email. Okay, ito na yung nag-email na yung ORUS, Books of Accounts. Books of Accounts approved. Okay. Hello, Feli Banjas Guillermo. Your registration for Books of Accounts has been approved under RDO 044. Please log into your ORUS account to print your approved manual loose leaf Books of Accounts cover page and paste it on the front of each registered book. Okay? Balik tayo sa ORUS. Hindi naman ako nag-log out. So, balik lang tayo dyan. Dito sa lower portion, dito na po yung stamps. 4 yung niregister kong book. Ito siya. Volume 4 to Volume 4, Volume 4 to Volume 4. 5 na yung stamps ko kasi nag-register ako ng income book. Yan. Diyan ko isusulat yung aking service income for tutorials. Kung merong magpapatutor sa akin at meron akong service income, dito ko isusulat, i-record sa aking income book, manual books of accounts. Meron akong video niyan. So, check nyo na lang po kung paano mag-register ng manual books of accounts. Okay, dito na yung aking stamp. I-view natin. Loading stamps for books of account. Please wait. Okay. Ito na siya. Ang din-download ko ay General Ledger. Open file. Ito na po ang stamp ko. Kapag sa manual, di ba tinatatakan tapos ipapa-approve. Sa ngayon, dahil online na, i-print na lang po itong stamp na ibinigay ng ORUS at ididikit sa first page ng loose leaf books of accounts. Okay guys, sana may natutunan po kayo sa aking tutorial video ngayon. Thank you for watching. Bye!